We know that the activities of an organism is the sum of functions of all the cells in that organism. In human beings, various cells contribute for the healthy functioning of the body. Some examples are as follows. The nerve tissues carry messages to different parts of the body. Due to these nerves, there is also a coordination among different parts of the body. The muscular tissues perform vital roles in the human body. Smooth muscles form the contractile portion of the walls of the digestive tract, urinary bladder, and blood vessels. These are responsible for the movement of those materials which are present in these muscular organs. The striped muscles form flesh of the body. These muscles are also attached with the skeleton, so they are responsible for the movements of the human body like walking, running, and jumping, etc. The cardiac muscles form the walls of the heart. The heartbeat is due to these muscles. Blood is the liquid connective tissue. The blood cells perform many important functions in the human body. White blood cells are called the police force of the body because they destroy germs and protect the body from diseases. They also remove damaged and decaying cells from the place of a cut. They also cause dilation of blood vessels and prevent blood clotting. The function of blood platelets is clotting of blood when blood vessels are injured. The red blood cells, or RBCs, carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Skin performs many important functions in the human body. It helps to maintain the body temperature. Skin produces vitamin D when sun shines on it early in the morning. It protects the body from outer effects. The skin is also an organ of sensation, for example, heat, cold, touch, pain, and so on. Prokaryotic cells' size and complexity. Well, prokaryotes are typically smaller, ranging from 0.2 to 2.0 micrometers in diameter and are structurally simpler. Eukaryotic cells' size and complexity. They are larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells' nucleus. They do not have a nucleus. Their DNA is located in a nucleoid region within the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells' nucleus. They have a nucleus enclosed by a membrane, which contains the cell's DNA. Prokaryotic cells' organelles. These cells lack membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts. Eukaryotic cells' organelles, on the other hand, possess various membrane-bound organelles, including mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes, which perform specific functions. Prokaryotic cells' cell wall. Typically, they have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan in bacteria or other materials. Eukaryotic cells' cell wall, plant and fungal cells, have cell walls, but animal cells do not. So let's look at some examples. Prokaryotic cells include bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Eukaryotic cells have some really important structures. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell, containing most of the cell's genetic material, or DNA. It regulates cellular activities like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. And then, there are the mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell. They're responsible for generating energy, or ATP, through cellular respiration. Mitochondria are, honestly, crucial for the cell's energy production and survival. Prokaryotic cells are a bit different. They don't have a true nucleus, so their genetic material, whether DNA or RNA, just floats freely in the cytoplasm. This means prokaryotic cells have a less complex system for regulating gene expression. They also don't have mitochondria. Instead, prokaryotic cells generate energy through their cell membrane or with specialized structures like mesosomes. Basically, they don't have membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria. So, in summary, the nucleus and mitochondria are essential components of eukaryotic cells, playing critical roles in genetic regulation and energy production, respectively. Prokaryotic cells, on the other hand, have a more streamlined structure and generate energy through alternative mechanisms.